Let's catch
No,
everyone up.
I want to build a new damn computer, and I'm not going to be allowed to because all the RAM in the entire world has been like pre-bought out through like 2028 sometime. It's
right. So all
insane.
consumer electronics
Yeah,
are rising in prices dramatically.
you can blame the fine folks at OpenAI and Anthropic and X.
It is the first time I have felt hatred towards AI. I may have to, I don't know that I'm up to like the violence of the people, but my whole idea
manifesto,
of
maybe?
stomping cell phones of grandmothers, because something's got to change, man. And so the price, and everyone's raising the prices. All of your video game systems are going up. All the Apple devices are going up. All computers are going up. You want to build components? They're even more expensive because you're not getting that bulk locked in pricing that Apple negotiated 2 years ago. So now you're dropping 15 grand to build what literally 6 months ago was half-ish that price. And it's only going to get worse. It is supposed to, the increases in the prices for RAM is supposed to double again.
It's even if you have the thing, running it is getting more expensive because people's power bills have been going up and up and up and up and up.
But is that really the data centers?
Yeah, it is, Hunter. Hunter, potential New York data centers are seeking more than 9,000 megawatts of new electricity, which is a third of the entire state's annual usage. You can't just get more power for free. I used to live in Texas, sir. They're barely holding on with what they already have in terms of capacity. Before things were at the level where they are now, we were getting like calls and texts and emails like, please, I know it's the summer, but I beg of you, don't run your AC. We are holding on by a thread here. Granted, Texas is on its own objectively worse grid. I don't know, any other place, like for example, the great state of New York, to say, we have capacity for this much power. What do you mean it now needs to be 133% of what it was on a short time scale? You can't just make new coal-powered plants that quickly. Solar has come a long ways, but it turns out these data centers are running 24/7.
Don't we have the capabilities, like today, of solving the electricity problem?
Let's all just be whole hog on solar. There's only so much being built per day, per hour, per whatever.
Well, that's why I'm suggesting there is an opportunity for a movement where we're saying, hey, we're going to invest $3, $4, $5, $10 trillion into our energy, our country's energy, to have the best energy, where we've modeled it out, and we think we will only actually reach the capacity of this new system in 100 years from now. It is that overbuilt.
I mean, that sounds nice.
It seems like something that you could align people
power
behind.
Companies don't build more than they need to provide. Otherwise, you're literally wasting your own money.
Well, you would need to incentivize this, and I don't know. Maybe it's anti-capitalism.
I think Hunter's starting to realize just how difficult
I'm starting to become a comrade. Comrade Daniel.
Comrade Hunter. Oh, wait, hold on.
Yes,
Were you saying
Comrade Daniel.
power to the people?